If you're looking for a modern home with clean, attractive lines in the Summerlin foothills, look no further than Carlisle Peak. I'm Jake Burkett with Real Brokerage, your trusted resource for real estate in Las Vegas and Henderson, whether you're buying or selling or just curious. Set high on Summerlin's Grand Park, this community really feels like a breath of possibility. Inviting spaces, a flexible GenSmart suite for guests, and generous garages that make room for every passion, all surrounded by the natural beauty of the desert. This is the Plan 3, Elevation B, Color Scheme 8. If you build from the ground up, you're looking at roughly 4,065 square feet to 4,283 square feet, depending on the options you choose, like a third-car garage or the GenSmart suite. Optional 4 to 5 bedrooms and 4.5 baths, up to a 4-car garage, and a lot of flexibility overall. As of the date of this video, the builder is also offering some strong incentives. If you finance and use Tri Pointe Connect, you'll receive 3% of the base price as a credit towards closing costs. That can be used to cover closing costs, buy your interest rate down, or a combination of both. For cash buyers, there's a 1.5% credit towards closing costs. And if you go with a quick move-in home, you could see up to an additional $100,000 off. This community is in an HOA and we're on all public utilities. If you have any additional questions or would like to see this home or any others, my contact info is in the bottom right of your screen in the video description. All right, let's continue with the tour. The kitchen is a true centerpiece statement of this home, conveniently located so that whether you're entertaining guests or spending time with family or have that 3-pocket slider open up into the backyard, whoever's cooking or hanging out can easily converse and interact with everybody else in the house. Now, if you're looking for a home office or a lounge, this additional room right off the kitchen is a fantastic space. As you can see, it's set up more as a lounge right now, but could be easily converted to a home office. And if you needed some privacy, you could put some French doors on there or make some sort of enclosure so that you do have that privacy from sound and outside noises. We are unable to access this backyard space because there is a pool with no additional protective coverings, but later in the video from the primary suite, you're going to see we hang over the balcony and we're going to take a deeper look. This is a fancy pantry. You don't have to have all these cabinets, the additional sink and fridge and storage. You could have a much more standard pantry, which is how the home would be delivered. And if you get the home with the GenSmart suite, you get this 2.5-car garage. So this third bay right there, that's not quite a traditional full car garage. It's more about a 1/2 to 3/4. Let's take a look at that GenSmart suite. It has its own private living room with a small kitchenette area. And a private laundry area right here. So if you have those parents that live with you or you have extended stay guests, this is a great space for them to stay, to feel comfortable, and to be somewhat self-contained. Here we have the GenSmart Suite bedroom, which is private and has its own doorway from the GenSmart living room, so that if someone's out there, someone can go to bed, have their privacy, and of course it does have its bathroom with it right over here. We have a cute washroom conveniently located for all of your guests that will be over at this beautiful house hanging out with you so that they can have privacy to refresh. Here we have the first of two upstairs lofts. I feel like this is more of the formal loft. It'd be a great place to hang out, spend time, and as you can see, we can see over that balcony into that great room with all those windows and natural light coming into this house from every angle. This would be the second loft, which would be a great place for the kids to do schoolwork or to have their own space upstairs and away from the adult activities. This outdoor balcony would be a great place to have morning coffee or have some drinks in the evening. We have a second laundry room. This is going to be for the primary residence. It is located upstairs and has plenty of room to accommodate all of your needs. This secondary bedroom is actually a next-gen suite. It has its own walk-in closet and bathroom, in addition to all those great windows, bringing in all that natural light. This is a more traditional secondary bedroom. It just has a pocket sliding closet in it, but it is still spacious and quite nice. With this full bathroom upstairs, you can accommodate lots of guests in this house at one time, or lots of residents at one time. And of course, having that privacy from the shower and bathroom to the sink area is always a plus. This is the primary retreat, also known as the master bedroom, as it gets pointed out to me all the time on our channel. Thank you so much. I appreciate everyone's feedback. But this room is large. You can easily accommodate your king-size bed, your nightstands, your chest of drawers, or whatever you would like to put into here. Also has its own private balcony, which you can peer into the backyard with. Let's take a look. This angle should give you a little better idea of what the backyard looks like and what most of the lot sizes are going to be within this community. Of course, the setback of the house and the actual size of the house are always going to have some impact on the backyard space. Last but not least, we have the primary suite bathroom, which is very nice and spacious. It's got separate sinks, it's got a gorgeous walk-in shower, a freestanding soaking tub, and this beautiful walk-in closet, which is rather large. That pretty much concludes our tour today. Thank you so much for joining us. Please let me know how I can be assistance of you. And thanks again, and we'll see you on the next home tour.